Hello everyone, welcome to the game of high flyers. Now today's story is very close to my heart. Now I brought one people which you know that most of the people who will say that a guy who wants to come into a SAP career, he should have some certain criteria, he should be a young blooded and all of these things. But today we have Mr. Rajesh Sharma. So let me tell you a little bit about Rajesh. Rajesh is 50 plus year old. Okay, he dreamt about that he want to switch his career. Even though he's 50 plus, he has a 25 years of domain experience. He has a dream that he want to become a SAP consultant. He followed his dream. When he came to us, our association is also quite long. He has also worked with us in few projects. When he came to us, he did one training with us, and after one training he understand that how deep he need to go. Okay, it was quite a struggle for him, but he has never quitted. He did one training, two training, three training, four training. He has all kind of certification under his belt, and he has done multiple trainings, and finally success come to him. He become a full-time SAP consultant. He is trained in MM, SD, EWM, and finally he got a job as a MM and EWM consultant with 8 plus lakh of package. So that's here we have today Rajesh. Hi Rajesh, welcome to the game of high flyers. I'm very thankful, Rajesh, you came and you shown up, and I'm also very grateful to be part of our society, to be part of our community. You are a great source of inspiration to all of the people who think or who quit, saying that, okay, I tried for 6 months, I tried for 1 year, it's not working, it's not my cup of tea. But you continued, you pursued with your aim, you pursued with your goal, and finally you succeeded. So I have just told a brief part of it. We would like to hear from you. Can you go ahead and elaborate your story in your words? Rajesh, over to you.
Thank you, Parvinder. And first, as a teacher, I want to pay my regard to you. And
Thank you.
when I have a long journey in industry, and I have associated with paint industry,
Mhm.
and I have near about 30-year plus experience in paint production and quality assurance. And in India, I get opportunity to work with the small industry and big industry. In Berger Paint, I get the opportunity to work, and there I have start to work on SAP and Oracle software as an end user.
Okay.
And on behalf of that experience, I get the opportunity in 2011 with Rainbow Paint Sierra Leone, West Africa.
Mhm.
I give there my about 10-year service to Rainbow Paint. And during my journey at Rainbow Paint, I have get the opportunity to work on quality assurance of the paint production.
Mhm.
And in between, I get the opportunity to work on implementation of ERP projects. Third part, when I enter there, they implement the third party ERP software. But during my association with them, they implement the SAP projects and ERP system they introduce, and I get the great opportunity to work with it. So when we work as a end user or as a end user in a company, so you have a simple, well, you have the work which you assign to you, only you are making.
Mhm.
But during the implementation project, there one thing come in my heart: ki what is going on in background, how they are implementing, how they are making. So this when I see this all, I am only entering the data there, but how this data is proceeding and how this process is going on. So at that time, I take in my heart, okay, I want to be a consultant. And being the age of at that time I was 45 plus, when implementation project was there. So
Okay.
at the time, I feel I have because I want to came back to India, and in India, the too much challenging in my paint industry also. If I join a small industry, I not get the proper package,
Right.
and in biggest industry, uh, they consider the age group. Because when you are giving an interview, the interviewer is 45 or 40 plus, and I am the 50 plus. So it is very hard to convince I am a good candidate for that. So
Mhm.
during this session, when I was thinking more and more, so my one friend who pursue me to this side, Mr. Rajiv Agarwal,
Okay.
I get connect with him on Skype, and he suggests me कि if you 100% do your effort on SAP field, so definitely you will get. And today I am realizing his part
That's great.
during
That's great. Somebody has
and
sowed the seed inside you, and you convert it into a tree. Beautiful.
yes.
Yeah.
After that, because I was working, but I don't know how this working is performing. So this curiosity comes to me to learn about more SAP. So in during that period, I searched too much. I have taken the training from other sites also, but on LinkedIn profile when I was searching, I find Mr. Parminder Singh,
Okay.
and due to that LinkedIn, I connect with you, and I have take first training the sourcing and procurement with you, and after that, someone suggest me if you do the EWM, so
Mm.
you will get more benefit. So after that, I attend extended warehouse management training with CK Reddy, and he is associated with SastraGeek also nowadays.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I have get the opportunity to work with him, to take trainings and guidance from him. And after that, during this, my thinking is always is that we always invest on our assets. We
Right.
purchase car, we purchase different things. But this asset is not useful for you. But if you make investment to to increase your technical skill, to increase your communication skill, so it is better. You can get a more bright future, because now is this in 50 plus age. I have the too much struggling to get a suitable opportunity, but due to SAP, I make the certification by the guidance of your and other my friends who guide me, and I get the 9 plus certification, and
Nine
I
plus.
and I
Guys,
have
we are
get
9 plus. Even I don't have that many certifications.
9 plus certification, and PMP certification also I have done.
PMP also. PMP is one of the very tough. You can clear the SAP certification. I'm also PMP certified. So I know that clearing a PMP certification is not a cup of tea for everyone. So if somebody
Yes,
is doing that, really, he has some uh, good knowledge and some good strength to clear those certifications. So that's great. One thing Rajesh has
yes,
said, that that about the investment. So these all things, you he said very rightly, we are investing into the multiple assets. But how about that in this industry specifically, we work in a knowledge industry, we work in a consulting industry. The main product, the core product is ourselves. We ourselves are the core product.
yes,
So we need to understand, we need to invest ourselves, we need to make our product better. So what I see is that people say that, okay, they are earning it, where to invest? Share market. Where to invest? Mutual funds. But people don't think about that you are earning all of the money because of yourself. So first investment you do on yourself. So even though I'm training so many people, but people will not believe the amount of money I still spend on my training. Every month I'm doing some training with my some place, some advanced training, PPDS training, communication skill trainings, how I can streamline my business, that trainings, a lot of trainings I'm doing. And my mentor keep on telling me that, that this is a journey of greatness, and you cannot be cheap on this journey of the greatness. If you want to reap the higher rewards, you'll have to invest on it. And that's what I also did when I started my SAP journey around 15 years ago. I almost spent 3 lakh rupees, and I was not having that money at that time. I took a bank loan for that. 3 lakh rupees 15 years ago, you can compare, it's almost 10 lakh rupees now, spending 10 lakh rupees now, but it was worth it. Within a 2 years of spam, I was able to generate double of it. So investment, right investment is very important. Please invest in yourself. And Rajesh also told one important thing when Rajesh came to us and we went into the detail. We understand that he's very much determined to go into SAP field. So what I suggested in that, apart from SAP trainings, he need to also work on the communication. So we together find a kind of a institute, and we ask him to go ahead and attend the communication training, because that's very important for a functional consultant. And he did that, and now today he's speaking. I can tell you he's 10 times better 2 years ago or 1.5 years ago when we are having a conversation. So it's not like that. If you don't know, at any age you can learn, and Rajesh is a true source of inspiration.
Yes.
So Rajesh,
Thank.
can you tell a little bit more about this communication training, how you improved the communication, and then how it helped you in interviews and other parts?
Yes. Uh, I want to explain you when I came back to India, and at that time I was trying to get a single interview, but I don't get success.
Yeah, yeah.
First of all, I send my CV to SastraGeek, and they look after it. And after that, they suggest some changes. So after that single change I make, so I
Mhm.
have get 3 or 4 interview per day.
3 or 4 interviews per day.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
And during this, when I give the first interview,
Mhm.
that interview was finished in 5 minutes.
Mhm. I remember we
And
had that discussion why it
yes, yes,
finished in 5 minutes. I remember
yes.
that. Yeah.
So after that, I have work on communication side, and I myself feeling in my inside me is just I can I can communicate now in a better way.
Mhm.
And due to that, I have get offer. I have give the multiple interviews, but I have get opportunity 4 in my hand, 4 opportunity.
4. That's great.
One
Great.
is the Asian Paint subcontracting company at Faridabad.
Mhm.
Another one the L&T,
Okay.
and another one
Mhm.
Capgemini, and the Progress Enterprise, in which I have joined as a SAP EWM functional consultant. And within this span, I am feeling too much difference between me, and I want to suggest to others कि don't see कि what is your age, because age is increasing every day. One day is finished, so your age is increasing.
Age is
So
just a number.
you need to make decision today कि what you want to do.
Right.
And we are the only one source of income of our family.
Mhm.
And if we want to continue earning of the money, so we want to improve our skills. We want to improve our technical skill, our communication skill, because we want to stay in the market with young generation.
Yes.
Now, now I am technical qualified, and I have the technical skill, so I can work the young generation of your age.
Right.
If I not have, so I will get retired before 5 years.
Yeah, right, right. So let me tell the audience that what happens, that how Rajesh started converting so many interview calls. So first thing was the CV. CV was not that great. If you will look Rajesh CV now, it is very difficult to anyone to keep on rejected his CV once it comes into the plate. Very beautifully crafted. A lot of skills are there inside it. Basic skills are there. Advanced skills are there. And one more thing we asked him to do it, which makes a key difference, is a blog writing. So I worked with Rajesh to make him understand that the blog writing will definitely help. Very few people do that, and he did the blog writing. He introduced the blog writing. He introduced the LinkedIn connections, LinkedIn link into the blog writing. A lot of blogs he has written on the SastraGeek solution, and that has been put it into the profile. That does also make a key difference. It's very difficult to reject and note converting that CVs into the interview calls. So Rajesh, can you tell us more about the blog writing? So
Yes, yes.
I just, that I just bluntly asked you to write a blog, but when you really
No,
written
no,
the
no.
blog, I was amazed. Very good blogs.
And I want to elaborate one more thing.
Uh-huh.
He, I was writing many presentation on the LinkedIn, but that go very limited space. And I can write the blog, but I don't know how to publish it.
Mm-hmm.
But SastraGeek give me the opportunity. They provide me the platform to write the blogs, and that blogs is now liked by thousands of people, and people is liking that. Uh, so my blog writing skill also improved when I associate with SastraGeek, and I thankful to SMS Middle East. They provide me the opportunity to work with my teacher, with my teaching company SastraGeek. When I came back India, I don't know that I will work for SastraGeek. I came back in India and I have get the first opportunity to work with my teacher, Parvinder Singh,
Yeah,
and his
that
company
was a great
SastraGeek Group.
association that we were in the trainings, and then we also came together and we worked for some time. By the time Rajesh was having some time and he was working on the another opportunity, we come together for a freelance work. We have assigned some things to him and we work together. At that part also, I think Rajesh got a lot of good exposure. And we also have a same kind of internship programs also with the limited seats which we provide to people to come us and do the internship with us so that they can get some exposure to what actually happened in SAP world. So meantime, I will show quickly the what kind of blogs you have written. It's a beautiful blogs. So this is sastrageek.com/blog, and we have multiple people writing blogs for us. We ask our students to write blog because they can use it in their profile, and that make a key reference. So recently, Rajesh has written this blog for SAP S4HANA Material Ledger, a very beautifully written blog. It explained everything about the material ledger. As a functional logistic consultant, what you need to know about a material ledger, beautifully crafted with very beautiful pictures with process flow. So when somebody has seen your profile and before interview, he has seen, okay, you have mentioned the blog writing, you have given the link. He has clicked on the link and he gone through these kind of stuff that, okay. So at the back end of your mind, you're in the subconscious of the mind in the interview, already the subconscious mind starts saying, this is the guy, select, select, select. And that makes a difference. Yeah, yeah, Rajesh. So I want to quickly.
I want to explain one more thing. In one, two, or three interview,
Mhm.
the people they after 10 minutes, after 5 minutes, they get tired. But after that, the fourth interview, fifth interview, sixth, in that after 30 minutes or 35 minutes, the interviewer asked me, what we ask you more, what we can ask you more, but they say that we have the limitation of the time,
Yeah, yeah,
but we don't have nothing to ask at this time. So this is the difference I have feel, because I have get the proper guidance how to face interview, how to prepare for interview, and I follow that guideline. So I want to say the all viewers, all learners,
yeah.
especially in SAP field or maybe in another field, no problem. So I want to suggest that to take a right decision about your investment on yourself and
Right. Very true.
make it in correct way, and take in there is a lot of person in the market, they are selling the trainings, and I have checked many, but at last I get SastraJeek and Mr. Pravinder Singh. So I recommend for any kind of training, any kind of guidance, you believe on SastraJeek, and you will get definitely. And if I can get, why you cannot?
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you, Rajesh. That's why I said that this story is very close to my heart. If Rajesh can do it in that age, why you cannot do it? Why you are people who are quitting in 6 months and a year, they can also do it. Only thing is that you need to keep on doing, keep on hitting the target, and then you will also be able to do it. Recently, I posted on the LinkedIn that the difference between the big shots, how big shot become a big shot, they keep on shooting, they never stop. That's how they become a big shot. So Rajesh, I will quickly ask that if you want to recommend, if you want to recommend our viewers for two things. One thing is if they want to make their profile, what key things they need to mention in the profile, and then later on I will ask one more question to you.
In profile, in any profile, first they want to analyze yourself, what they are doing. We are doing a lot of things in our industry. When we are working in office, we are working in a industry, we are doing a lot of things, but we don't know how to represent it. So
Right.
it depends upon your presentation. But your CV, your profile is the mirror, and in that mirror, your positive image should become.
Correct. Very
So
true. That's your magnet. That's your lead magnet. Your profile on the LinkedIn, your CV on the Naukri or whatever the things you're putting. That's your magnet. So
yeah,
magnet should be very strong. If the magnet is
but
strong, then that will automatically attract a lot of leads, a lot of interview calls. It will attract.
but
I'm starting a one batch, which is in the maybe in 15 to 20 months, only to focus on making people good profiles, making good LinkedIn profiles, and giving them the project exposure. That's the way basically I feel that the new people are struggling. So that course will very quickly it will come soon into the market from SastraGeek.
I will be the next student for that one.
That's the good thing about Rajesh. He's always a student. He's always a student. Whatever the course we start, he said, I want to do it. From where that source of energy comes, sometimes I also feel that, okay, बहुत हो गया यार, अब और नहीं होता. But you keep on learning, keep on doing new things, new modules. From where the source of energy comes.
Because I want to speak that when I start my professional life in 1989,
Uh-huh.
at that time when I get first appointment from Jaipur, Rajasthan,
Mm-hmm.
as a scientific officer, so my
Mm-hmm.
father say on the first day, in which field you want to work. So you want to learn everything about that industry. So from that day, uh, uh, I was continuously in learning mode. When I was working as a geologist, so at that time, I work on geological field to learn more things. After that, I enter in the paint industry, and in paint industry also, I have done 6+ certification in paint industry to improve my technical skill as a paint technologist. And after that, I think I need to do MBA. So I have done PG diploma in operation management from IMT CDL, and then I have done MBA from Shobhit University through correspondence. And after that, I have done PhD in total quality management also.
So many things. So you are keep on a learner. Okay.
And
That.
after that, when I finished the TQM, so I was sitting in my room and I was thinking, I have spent lot of money
Mhm.
on this and this, but this is useless. I cannot get a job in India. So
Mhm.
at that time, I say, why I not learn SAP in proper way? Matlab, I was working in SAP, I was working on project, and but I don't have. I was working which assigned to me.
Mhm. Like
So at
entry
that
level.
time, I think if I invest on SAP, so I can get a job easily in India. There is, because for consultant there is no age limit.
Mhm. Right, right. Very true. Very true. Very.
If you are a production manager, if you are a managing director also of the company, so there is some age limit. But for consultant, there is no age limit. If you are in the house in retirement age, also people call you, okay, we get this problem, solve this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's very good for you know that if you're working in a manufacturing at the age of 56, 58, or 60, they will say, okay, tata, bye bye. Now, because of the COVID situation, also now you know that outside people also everybody is working from home. So even the people working from US, UK, I'm getting a lot of calls that anyhow all the people are working home. Why we should get a people who is sitting in US and working for the company rather than take people from India. So that is opening a new set of market in India. Okay, so even beyond 60 also you can easily do in this one a freelancing work, and money income will keep on going for you with this profile.
So that's why I suggest, in which company you are working, do, but secure your future
Yeah,
by
yeah,
learning about the software technology and SAP technology. It will really helpful. In present industry where are you working, there is also helpful because all industries you're using the ARP system.
right.
So when you are working at that time also it is useful, and when you will get retirement at that time also you will get the benefit of that.
Right, right, right. Right, because without ERP now nothing can work, and
Yeah.
SAP is kind of
Yes,
ERP, which is a market leader.
a simple soap also. You see a chai wala also using the payphone.
Right, right.
So
Without it.
there is bright future for technology.
Mhm.
And if we learn today, so we will get the benefit tomorrow.
Right, right,
क्योंकि
right,
एजुकेशन इज नॉट, मतलब जो शिक्षा है वो आपको हमेशा पे करेगी.
right,
एजुकेशन ऑलवेज पे यू, एंड दिस इज ओनली फॉर यू. दिस
right.
नॉट पे टू अदर्स. योर एजुकेशन विल पे टू यू.
Right, right. Your education will pay to. That also remind me one of my professor in college. He always keep on saying that whatever you do, it should have a value addition. So whatever the value addition you are doing by learning something or by doing something, if you're also working something, work with the open mind and understand what you're working. It will always pay you. Not today, not after 2 years, maybe after 5 years. Whatever the good learnings you have done, and whatever the good value addition you have done, it will always pay you in future. So
So
Rajesh, we have
one
uh,
more addition I want to say.
yeah, go
If
ahead, go ahead.
which position you have, so you cannot change your position, but you not forget your place value,
Right,
the place value of your situation. This is the main thing.
correct, correct. So
Suppose 0 to 9, there is a 9 number is there, 0 to 9, 10 number is there, but each number having their place value.
right, so you
Nobody
have
can
your
replace
place.
an Nobody can replace another number. One cannot replace by 9.
Right,
One cannot replace by 0. So your place value. So always determine your value. What is your place value? This you determine. So then you can take the better decision about yourself.
very right, very true statement. Every number has its own place. That's true, you cannot replace. The same way you
Yes.
are also unique, so you should just understand what you need to do it. You are also unique. That's very true statement, Rajesh.
And we need to maintain this uniqueness.
Right, right. So, Rajesh, we have a small gift for you. That's our ritual that the people who got successful, we give a token of success. And I'm giving a token of success this book. It will be delivered at your address. This is
Thank
How
you.
to Win Friends and Influence People, a great book which has impacted my life. So, I have not only one, I have read it 3 to 4 times. I have read it the Hindi version, English version, audio book. I have read it, and this is a beautiful book. It improves your communication, it improves your behavior. How do you deal with people, how do you deal with the people with your which is lower than you, how do you need to deal with the people which is higher than you, how you need to deal with kids, how you become a better parent. Everything is taught by this book. So apart from the SAP, I believe that we need to all to be good citizens. We need all to be good characters, right? So this is a book which influenced me a lot to do the right things, to speak right things, to have a right communication with people, to stay away from the unnecessary argument. So it taught me a lot, and this is one of the best sellers. It came in 1980s and popular from there. Writer is Del Carnegie. So that we will be sending on your address. Please also read that. Might be you have written a lot of books. Also read this one. This would be very helpful. And this is our gift to you, and we also want something from you. Okay. So what we want something from you, you have very enriched experience now. So your experience has a lot of modules in it. You have given a lot of interviews. I think 20 plus interviews you have given. You have a 4 offers in hand. You have made your CV from zero to hero. You have worked on the blogs and master the skill of writing the blogs. So you have done a lot of things. Now it's time to give back to the community. So we have a
Mm.
Facebook group called SAP Masterminds, where we have a mentorship program where all the people who are struggling in their to find their career path in SAP, they can identify the mentors, and they can have a one-to-one suggestions or discussions and getting their doubts clear. I clearly feel that you are in the point of the mentors to actually guide the people and motivate the people not to lose hope. So I want you to get registered there as a mentor and clearly write down that what kind of mentorship you can provide to the people, so that people can reach out to you and you can also help others to become successful in this journey.
Okay.
Sure. So
Okay.
thank you, Rajesh. Thank you very much for joining us. It was a great interview, and I also learned a lot from you. Whenever I see some people from where I get a source of inspiration, that's you. Always look forward to you. If Rajesh can do in that age, we are in the younger age. We should do better, right? So
Yes.
that's a you're a true source of inspiration. Thank you for being there. Thank you for associating with the having association with SastraGeek Solutions, and I hope that our association will go for a long run.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye for now.
Thank you.